Hello beautiful my people, ni senti genga wanyu ntibisanzwe. Uyu munsi rero tukaba tugiye kureba uko u Rwanda rwitwaye muri ano marushanwa y'umukino njyarugamba aho uri kubera Idubayi. Murakoze dukurikire, twagiye. Dore uwa mbere aragiye, ni ukuzamuka ku maesikariye. Arazamutse amasegonda 8, 9, 10. Dukomeze mugende mureba. Uyu ni sniper. Arazamutse, agomba kurasa kariya kantu kumwe muri kureba. Ok, aragahamije. Turi n'abandi ubu ngubu bagiye gufungura umuryango. Ok. Maze gushyiramo ibikoresho. Ok, mu segonda 38 muri kureba hariya hasi. Ok.
First you want to beat your colleagues, then you want to beat the best.
Ok. Utwo bagombaga kurasa murabona ko tugiye birarangiye. Ok, hariya ni uburyo bwo gutabarana muri kubibona. Ok. Ok, bakaba batsindiye ku munota umwe n'amasegonda 4 n'amadakika 56. Ok. Ahangaha ni ukuvuga ngo ni roranto. Reka no kuvuga kugira ngo muyikurikirane, kwa kundi basubiza inyuma roranto murabizi.
As their A-team colleagues, a little push for the sniper to get him on his way. Were you happy with that, DJ Lee? Elko says that's how it's done, supporting Rwanda.
Okay.
Cosmo says, hey Joe, please send a hello to the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kazakhstan. Hello Cosmo.
Turebe n'abandi bagiye gukurikiraho nimurambirwe.
The MOI of Kazakhstan, who apparently are all gathered around a TV watching.
Iki gihugu ni Vietnam. Okay. Aba nabo baratangiye. Sniper murabona ko ari imbere. Uriya ni ubanza kugenda. Aha, avuga ifirimbi aragiye. Ku maesikariye nk'ibisanzwe. Floor ya gatatu, floor ya kane, floor ya gatanu, floor ya gatandatu. Ok, agahinguka hahandi agomba kurasira muri position neza. Abasirikare bo murabizi. Nawe ndabona ntadahusha. Babandi nabo baje. Ok, maze kubishyira murabona ko bafite umuvuduko uri hejuru kuruta w'abanyarwanda. Ok, bya bintu byo gutabara murabizi ibyo. Ok, minota amasegonda 59, umunota umwe n'isegonda rimwe. Urabona ko baturushije. Ok, mu kanya ndaza kubereka n'akabapolisi. Akoze mukomeze gukora subscribe kandi mukomeze gushyigikira uyu muryango kugira ngo dukomeze kubagezaho ibintu byinshi bitandukanye.
Vietnamese police special force team. Catherine Osillo says, who are the top 3? If you want to keep track of the standings as the day goes on, then UAESWATchallenge.com. So far, we have China B 54.8, Brimo B of Indonesia 58.8, They're the quickest times. They're the sub 1 minute times that we have on this day 2. There's the Greek team that I was talking about. Ikam of Greece, first timers in the UE SWAT Challenge. They will be up next. Another first-timer team, Qatar, the Joint Special Forces of Qatar, they're coming soon as well. I think I mentioned this yesterday, but it's worth mentioning again that so many times at the end of this UAE SWAT Challenge, at the end of the week, when you speak to the teams, and even when you speak to them at the end of the day, the desire to come back again next year because they know where they can trim some time, they know where they can do better or go faster. What you don't know is the element of luck. Like we saw yesterday, much to the detriment of 2 of the Chinese teams, a jammed round. Sometimes, well, most of the time is out with your control. That's the luck that you need. Let's go Serbia. They're not out yet. And Armand from South Africa says, I want a sub 1 minute, time for the Special Task Force of South Africa. Well, you can want it, Armand, but whether you get it or not, that's going to be down to them. South Africa, the Special Task Force of South Africa last year, round in 1 minute 10. There's the snipers round off for the ICAM Special Suppressive Counterterrorism Unit of Greece. Their first time into the kill house in anger in this competition. Oh, that looks good. Remember, they must have their handguns holstered before they're allowed to leave that box. It is a penalty if they don't. Just gone over the 1 minute mark, but this is good. This is a very good time for newcomers. 1:08.3 for the ICAM unit of Greece. Very first appearance in this competition. Rami Nelson says, I'm watching for the, from the Solomon Islands, waiting to see my team. Hello to all of you in the Solomon Islands.